Let's take a look at the 2020 Wildtrak electric roller cover to check if it is waterproof or not. We've had a storm here last night and it's currently raining as well. So let's open the tailgate and see inside. Okay, it does let in some water. As you can see, it is wet when I open it. It's not a lot of water, but at the back there you can see it is pretty wet. So if you were going to store your tools or anything that you want to keep dry, I suggest you put it in a waterproof case or put a cover over the top. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more car and truck content.